Hello students, this is the first video on contract costing. In this video, I will explain the total introduction, what is contract costing. I will explain everything. Besides, I have covered three short problems in this video. This video is helpful for BCom, BBA, MCom, MBA, CS, CS and CMA students. What is contract costing? Contract is an agreement between two parties wherein one party agrees to carry out certain work for the other party in a specified period of time. The person or the party who executes the contract under the certain terms and condition is called as contractor. Similarly, the person or party for whom the work or job is executed is known as contractee. The contractor and the contractee makes an agreement to get the work done against certain sum of money, which is called as contract price or contract value. A contract is a generally related to construction of building, dams, bridges, roads, culverts, plants, etc. In the sense, three most important words, that is contract, contractee and contract price, are very significant in this slide, right? So we will further proceed. Special terms in contract costing. Work certified, in the sense the value of work certified by the architect of the contractee. Work uncertified, the value of contract completed but not certified by the architect. In the sense, the work completed to some extent but it was not certified by the architect, then it is called as uncertified work. Cash received. Contractee will make the payment of cash to the contractor on the completion of the job or completion of the work. This will be released based on the performance of the contract, right? So based on the work certified, the contractee will release the amount to contractor. Notional profit, this is very important, an estimate of earnings primarily used in the building and construction industry. Notional profit, it is an estimation or estimated profit. So this is the format of contract account. It is a similar account like profit and loss account or any nominal account, wherein we write all the expenses on the debit side, all the revenues on the credit side. So on the debit side, you find materials, purchases or material purchase, supplies from store, receive from other contracts, wages paid, then outstanding wages will be added, plant at cost, direct expenses. Sometimes we take depreciation of plant even while working out the problems. I will explain that. Establishment charges, other indirect expenses. Whereas on the credit side, you will find work in progress. That work in progress will consist of two words, two items, that is work certified and uncertified work. Together it is called as work in progress. Then plant closing value we will write. By plant closing value. Opening value we have written on the debit side, closing value we are writing on the credit side. In the sense, difference will be treated as depreciation, or else you can write the total amount of depreciation, the difference between opening and closing value on the debit side itself, to depreciation and plant. Material in hand, that is closing material, material returned to store. In the sense, from this contract, any material you have returned to the stores. Then by material destroyed, any material lost or destroyed by the in the contract, that will be written on the credit side of the contract account. Once you close this, the balancing figure is called as notional profit. Why do we call it as notional profit? Because the profit which we have calculated with the help of work certified, uncertified, is not the exact profit. It is the notional profit, in the sense estimated profit. This notional profit will be credited further. Notional profit carried down, again by notional profit brought down. From this notional profit, we will divide the profit, notional profit, into two parts. One amount will be transferred to profit and loss account, other amount will be transferred to work in progress, that is reserve. So total notional profit will not be considered as profit. From this, certain amount will be kept as a reserve or contingency, will be carried forward for the next accounting year even. Guidelines to assess the profit on incomplete contracts. Generally what happens, the contracts will take more than 2 to 3 years for completion. In such a case, the entire profit shown by the contract account uh, cannot be transferred to profit and loss account, as the possibility of loss in the succeeding years cannot be ruled out. Maybe you may incur loss in the future years. That's the reason why total profit will not be transferred to profit and loss account. Hence, the profit shown by the contract is termed as a notional profit. Just now I have explained the term notional profit. In other words, notional profit is ascertained by deducting the expenditure incurred on the contract from the total of work certified and uncertified. Right? Again, in the contract account format, we discuss this. It is usual to create some reserve to meet the loss on unfinished contracts. Thus, some part of notional profit is recognized as profit and transferred to profit and loss account, while some part is transferred to work in progress account as a reserve. In the sense, we are dividing the notional profit into two parts. One is profit and loss account, one will be transferred to reserve, that is work in progress. Rules for calculating profit. Rules followed in calculation of profits. No profit should be taken into account on the contracts that have not made sufficient progress. In the sense, no profit should be taken into account unless 1/4 of the contract or 25% of the contract is completed. If contract is completed less than 25%, no profit will be taken to profit and loss account. In case of contract have made sufficient progress, that is, profit to be taken to profit and loss account is ascertained on the basis of following two situations. The situation one is, in case the contract is completed more than 1/4 or 25%, but less than half, that is 1/2, 50%. Right? If it is completed up to sufficient progress up to 1/4, only no profit will be transferred. It is more than 1/4, 25%, and less than half. In such a case, the formula of profit is equals to notional profit into 1/3 into cash received by work certified. This is the formula we apply to calculate the profit. Suppose in case the second situation, the contract is completed 1/2, that is 50% or more. In such a case, notional profit into 2/3 into cash received by work certified. Please bear in mind, in both the formulas, we have changed only one value. If it is less than 50% and more than 25%, then 1/3 will be taken. If it is more than 50%, 2/3 will be taken. Rest of the formula is remains same. Clear? So we'll take up some questions, 3 short problems I will be covering now. Then first question is, how much profit, if any, would you allow to be considered in the following case? Contract cost 2,80,000, contract value 5 lakhs. Contract cost in the sense expenditure incurred, contract value in the sense contract price. Upon the completion of contract, contractee will give this amount to contractor. Cash received 2,70,000, uncertified work 30,000. Deduction by way of bill is 10%. In the sense, whenever contract work is certified by the architect of the contractee, on that the total amount will not be given to contractor. Contractee will retain certain percentage or certain amount in the way of deduction by way of security. So that's the reason why total amount will not be given. The amount will be calculated based on the certification of the work. So that's the reason why whatever 2,70,000 we have received, after the deduction of 10%, in the sense 90% is 2,70,000. Then 100% will be our work certified. Like that we have to calculate. So when you come to the solution answer, so I have prepared the contract account format here. Simply we will write the values. First we have given expenditure on the debit side, that is 2. Contract cost, that is expenditure given 2,80,000. Then credit side we write by work in progress, under that work certified. So work certified is not given directly, therefore we will come to the working note and calculation of work certified. How to calculate? Cash received is 90%, 10% is deducted, in the sense 90% is given. So 90% is 2,70,000, work certified 100% is how much? So like this we can calculate work certified. Work certified is equals to 2,70,000. If you do the cross multiplication, that is 2,70,000 into 100 divided by 90, we will get 3 lakhs. This is the value of work has been certified by the architect. How did we calculate? Based on the cash received and its percentage. So once you get this, you will write work certified, and work uncertified is also given in the question, that is 30,000. Together it will be 3,30,000. Then we will close this account. Resultant figure we are getting on the debit side 50,000. This resultant figure is called as to notional profit carried down. Right, this is the balancing figure. Once you get this value, you will write down by notional profit brought down the same value. Then the question arises, how much profit should be taken? For that, just now we understood two situations. So first we need to understand how much the contract is completed. That is percentage of completion of contract. How we can calculate that? The formula is work certified by contract value. In this case, what is the work certified? That is 3 lakhs is the work certified. Just now we calculated. Then contract value given in the question, that is 5 lakhs. 3 lakhs by 5 lakhs into 100, that is equals to 75% progress has been made by the contract. When it is 75%, we will apply the second situation formula, that is more than 50%. In such a case, the profit is equals to formula is notional profit into 2 by 3 into cash received by work certified. Apply this formula. So 50,000 is the notional profit into 2 by 3 into cash received is 2,70,000 divided by 3 lakhs is equals to, we will get 30,000 is our profit. Right. So once you get this 30,000, you will be writing on the debit side to P&L account 30,000. In the sense, this 30,000 will be transferred to P&L account. Then we will close the amount. Balancing figure 20,000, whatever we are getting, that will be transferred to work in progress as reserve. So in this manner, we need to solve the problem of contract costing. Clear? So completion of contract is very important. If the contract would have been completed less than 50%, then in the formula notional profit into 2 by 3, we should have replaced with 1 by 3 only. If it is made progress less than 1 by 4, that is 25%, then we should not transfer anything to profit and loss account. Entire amount goes to which account? Work in progress reserve only. Clear? So we'll take up one more question. So in this question, calculate the profit transfer to P&L account for the following information. Contract price is 16 lakh, total contract value, cash received being 70% of the work certified, 4 lakh 90, 70% is 4 lakh 90, 100% would be work certified. Cost of work not yet certified 60, total expenditure incurred is 6 lakh 40,000. Quite easy. Simply prepare the account, fill the information to contract cost, that is expenditure incurred 6 lakh 40 by work in progress, work certified. Come to the working note, calculate work certified. 70% is 4 lakh 90, 100% that is work certified. How much? Therefore, work certified is equals to 4 lakh 90 into 100 divided by 70. That is cross multiplication, 7 lakhs. 7 lakhs is our work certified that we have calculated. Then we will write uncertified work given in the question 60,000. Together 7 lakh 60,000 is the work in progress. Then we will close this account. Balancing figure we are getting 1,20,000 on the debit side. That will be called as notional profit carried on. Then by notional profit brought down the same value 1,20,000. Then come to the percentage completion of contract to decide how much profit should be transferred. So when you come to the percentage completion of contract, the formula is work certified by contract value into 100. So work certified is 7 lakhs, contract value is 16 lakhs into 100 is equals to, we are getting 43.75%. In the sense, the contract made the progress to the extent of 43.75%. In the sense, which formula we need to apply? First formula. The formula is notional profit into 1 by 3 into cash received by work certified. Why we are applying for first formula? Because the contract has not made the sufficient progress of 50%. If it is 1 by 4th above and 50% below, then this formula will be applied. If it is more than 50%, then what will be the formula? Instead of 1 by 3, we replace with 2 by 3 only. Clear? So when you come to the profit calculation, 1,20,000 into 1 by 3, that is notional profit into 1 by 3 into cash received is 4 lakh 90 by 7 lakhs is equals to 28,000 profit should be transferred to P&L account. Therefore, to profit and loss account 28,000, then close this account. Balancing figure will goes to work in progress, that is reserve as a contingency. Clear? So we'll take up last question and we will wind up this video. So we'll take up the last question. So in this question, calculate the P&L account. Contract price is given 25 lakhs. Cash received being 80% is 12 lakhs. Work certified. Uncertified work is 50. Actual expenditure incurred is 10 lakhs, which inclusive of closing stock on the site. That is 40,000 given in the question. So this is the new item we have. So again, take the format, write down the values. That is contract cost, expenditure is 10 lakhs, work in progress, work certified, calculate work certified, that is 80% is 12, 100% is how much. Then we will get 15 lakhs is our work certified. Then you will get uncertified work, you have to write, that is 50,000. Then closing stock is also given, we write closing stock also 40,000. So like this we will write the values, then we will close this account. We'll get the balancing figure 5,90,000 as our notional profit. Then notional profit carried down, then brought down. Completion, percentage completion of contract is equals to 60% is completed. Therefore, we will apply the formula profit, notional profit into 2 by 3 into CR by WC. Therefore, 5,90,000 into 2 by 3 into 12 lakhs divided by 15 lakhs is equals to 3,14,667, that is 3,14,667. So to P&L account is 3,14,667. Then close this account. We will get the balancing figure 2,75,333. That will be transferred to work in progress. Right. So like this we have to solve the problems. I hope I made you understand with the help of these three problems. You understood the basic concept of contract accounting. Down the line I will be making one further videos based on contract accounting with different concepts. Right. So I wish you all the best. Thanks for watching the video. Do subscribe my channel, Mentor the Trusted Guide, and motivate me to make qualitative and informative videos. Thank you very much.